ಮೈಸೂರು ವಿವಿಯ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಭವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಪತ್ರಿಕೋದ್ಯಮ ಮತ್ತು ಸಮೂಹ ಸಂವಹನ ವಿಭಾಗ ಹಾಗೂ ಯುನಿಸೆಫ್ ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ ಇವರ ಸಹಯೋಗದೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಡೆದ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳ ಕುರಿತು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಪತ್ರಕರ್ತರಿಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ನೀಡುವ 2 ದಿನಗಳ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಗಾರವನ್ನು ಯುನಿಸೆಫ್ ಪಾಲುದಾರಿಕೆ ತಜ್ಞ ಪ್ರಸೂನ್ ಸೇನ್ ರವರು ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹಕ್ಕುಗಳ ವೀಕ್ಷಣಾಲಯದ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸಂಚಾಲಕ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವಾಸುದೇವ ಶರ್ಮಾ, ಜಂಟಿ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ಪಾಂಡುರಂಗ, ಹಿರಿಯ ಪತ್ರಕರ್ತ ಅಂಶಿ ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಮತ್ತಿತರರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.
Same will be repeated in 3 other divisions over the period of 1 year now, and it will be engaging all our media friends. Some of our media friends who were part of our earlier workshops are also here. I can see that. Warm welcome to them, and warm welcome to the new media friends who have also joined us for the first time. Thank you very much for your time, and I assure you that this will be a fruitful session for you, and hopefully something from which you can learn, take away, as well as contribute to. So the theme we have already spoken on in the last couple of years with our journalist friends from all across the state on what are child rights and overall child health, child nutrition, child protection, water and sanitation, and climate action and children. This time we thought we would go a little deeper and talk about some of the emerging issues which are impacting children, and also a kind of a revision or revisiting we realized that, like, I think our friend Dr. Vasudev Sharma already started the session, and you would have noticed that it's such a big world in which there are international conventions, declarations, and instruments to protect the rights of children, and there are national legislations, laws, acts, and protocols to protect the rights of children. So this is a vast area. It's a vast area of study. We don't want to, take you through an encyclopedia, but what we are trying to do is that we are trying to tell you the most important ones, so that when you are writing, you are abreast of the laws and legislations which can buttress your articles. For example, if you are writing on, let's say, children who are consuming, let's say, milk substitute products, if you already know that there is a milk substitute act, and that is a legislation by law, then you would be able to write much more effectively. So that is the idea. So that, and in the I think in the afternoon session, Dr. Vasudev Sharma will take you through the journey of what are the child rights frameworks, protocols, national, internationals, and what is the importance of them, and how we can relate them to your writing, what the work which you do as journalists. And in the afternoon, Professor Sapna will also take you through some of the international protocols of reporting